okay? For vibrato, one of the things Danchenko also noticed, you have one speed of vibrato. Yes? So the vibrato scale, my challenge to you, exactly 32 shakes. Let's do Fa major. So that it's a controlled vibrato. Too fast. Tuck, 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 tuck. Good. And then, yeah, to switch from one note to another, sneak the next note onto the old bow. Yeah? So that the hand continues to vibrate, but you just changed fingers. As much as possible, don't keep going. As much as possible, don't stop, vibrato. Good. When you go slow, when your vibrato goes slow, you should be able to go slow wide or slow narrow. Very small vibrato, or very wide vibrato, yeah? You have to be able to choose. The reason I ask for the vibrato scale up here, do you understand why? Why do I ask for vibrato scale in 5th position and not in 1st position? Why? Huh? All the positions are equally easy. No. Because of the ribs. Because you can brace your arm and practice just wrist vibrato. You understand? So you can even, instead of Fa major, maybe do Sol major. I can't move my arm. I have to move my hand. Yes? Your vibrato scale is a practice for learning wrist vibrato in multiple speeds with multiple widths. Is all that clear? The vibrato scale up here is a way to practice hand vibrato, not arm, in all speeds, fast, slow, and all widths, wide or narrow. So when you start, it's a narrow, fast vibrato. It's a slow, wide vibrato that just makes things a little bit more lively. When you start, how much vibrato do you really want? Sounds stupid, right?